Alright, y'all, we got the keys. It's raining, so yeah, kind of sucks. But we're gonna be riding out for a little bit, do some little drifty drifts, and yeah, hope it even starts. It's been raining, it's been cold. Oh, she's cold. Oh, she's real cold. Dang it. I'm gonna have to turn the idle up on this. I ain't rode it in a little while. Check the handle. Yep. Oh god. Filming quality right now sucks. There we go. Pop a little wheelie in. Get a little wheelie. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. Wheelie nilly. Oh yeah. Yes sir, baby. Let's freaking go. Where did I put my key at? I put it in. Feeling around for my key. Oh, there it is. I got mud on the camera. Not on the wings though, so we're good. This four-wheeler feels so small compared to the old 350. Which is parked inside right now. This thing just wheelie. They just get it. Whenever you want to, she'll just get it. Gotta keep checking the screen. Should we take it through the deep hole? No snorkel? Holes in the top of the airbox for extra airflow? No. Should we do donuts? Yes. Let me put my screen on. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, it got me a little muddy. You know it's cold when it's wanting to bog out. I also have the choke halfway on right now, just to like help the idle a little better. I mean, let's turn it off and do some actual real good donuts. Oh yeah. God, that was God, that would suck so much, but now I gotta wipe the camera. I'll turn this truck back on so it's flipping idle. This thing does not like cold weather. Actually, I'll just go ahead and shut it off. I'm ready to get the big four-wheeler out. Get the deep stuff. And yeah, Mason's out there having a blast. Hold on. We'll go around. Yeah, pretty deep. I bottomed out on that. Cannot believe I bottomed out on that. Nice! How about this play again? But watch this. Whoa! I slid out. Bad. See wheelies. Screen seems pretty clean. Should we take it in the water a little bit? A little bit in the water? Oh, she don't like it? Rub it a little bit. Oh yeah, got some air. He about just flipped. So guys, without further ado, I think I'm gonna hop on the big bike and just send it in some deep stuff. So I'll catch you guys whenever we're on that. Cold start. She's real cold. Now it did shut off underwater yesterday at Blaine, so we did order a top end rebuild because it was already smoking when we first got it, and now it's a little worse. So yeah, that's a lot worse actually. That's alright. We're still just gonna go around and get this thing up to temperature, and then go a little deep. Have a little bit of fun, and yeah. Move. This thing's smoking a lot. It's alright. Top end rebuild should be here this upcoming weekend. So we'll ride at my house this weekend, planning a big ride, and yeah. Once we get done with that ride, then we'll toss the top end rebuild on it. It'll be a good time. Have a new four-wheeler. I did have a ripped axle boot that I did rip at Blaine's house. I just checked that out after I washed it yesterday. I didn't really give it a full detail. I just like sprayed it off pretty good. And yeah, the biggest concern with that axle boot is not really anything. I'm not really concerned about it. It's not a big deal. It's mainly just when it breaks, it breaks. When it breaks, it breaks. Actually, over there going a little deep. I think I'm gonna hit the little side stretch first before we go like real deep. We might hit the other hole and do some water wheelies in it. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it performs in here first, because this isn't really deep enough to sink anything. Yeah, just gonna hit this. See if it even comes out of the floorboards. Because this never even gets close to the floorboards. Like ever. And this side over here looks like it might just get to it. Uh-oh. About made it. Just about. It's way deeper than it usually is. Now the old four-wheeler you guys just see on the channel, the old 350, it would get stuck on these rocks. Like bottom out. But we just crawl on this. We just walk it. And yeah. I guess it's time to, oh god, about it. I guess it's time to take it deep and really just see what this hole has to offer. Really, that's just all we got to do. It might be deeper than the pond was. Oh, it's getting muddy on that bottom. Might be a rack one on there on that one, Papa. It's performing well in here. So I guess we'll hit it again. And we'll go to the peanut butter hole, because that's flooded a lot. We'll see if that got any worse. If it didn't, no big deal. It's not our main hole anymore. It used to be, if you guys remember that. Oh, it's getting bad. I like it. It's getting muddy. But yeah, you guys, I think it's about time for me to head up to the ditch hole. Now I'll go to the deep stuff, and then we'll end off the video there. So catch you guys. All you guys we made it over here. Hope you can put it in gear. Go through these little somewhat bad stuff. Not really though. It's hard for Mason to do. I really want to get to the point where I can stand this thing up on land. That would be awesome. Uh-oh. Is the peanut butter hole making a comeback, boys? Can we wheel out of here? Nope. Not screwing me off, though. Oh. Got to. I just got to, man. It's a must, man. Come on. That's not our property, so I try to be as nice as I can to the grass. Yeah, Mason can do it, Papa. Do it. Yes, sir. We'll get to the peanut butter hole one more time and then go deep. Then cut the video. I call this like a mini bounty hole. Because it kind of is. It's not finished. This is all natural. We dug all this with the four-wheelers. Can we creep it? We're walking it, bud. Can we do a water wheel in it? Maybe. Heck no. Alright, we're gonna head down to the really deep stuff, and then I guess catch you guys when we're down there. Alright, you guys, right, the deep stuff. Kind of a little sketched out. We have gotten it. Oh god. Oh, it ain't that bad. We've gotten a ton of rain. So this, oh god, oh, never mind. This is way deeper than it was. A little sketched out, but gotta send it for the YouTube. Oh, it ain't that bad. It's a little deep. Safe to say. I gotta come down here and fix this, because this exit is not it, Chief. Hey, hop on the back for the YouTube. We're not gonna do any water wheelies. Yeah. Well, since he don't want to get on, we're gonna have him record with the phone and record me coming through it, and yeah.